Hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified in QI Macros. I was at the Colorado Lean Network conference, and I was demoing how you can do value stream maps and other things right in Microsoft Excel. And the guy looking at it said, I don't have to use Visio anymore. I said, no. There's a little mini Visio built right into Microsoft Excel. You can draw flowcharts and all kinds of things right in Microsoft Excel. It doesn't have to be a spreadsheet. It could be a diagram or whatever you want. And we have those templates, fishbones and value stream maps and flowcharts and all kinds of junk in the software. Driver diagrams for healthcare. This can all be done in Microsoft Excel. So that's my improvement insight for this week. Use Excel to be Visio for a lot of the things that you do. And then you can share it more easily with everyone. They don't have to have Visio readers or anything. That's my improvement insight. Let's go out and improve something this week, like how we do diagrams.